We're actually going to begin on this page, which says page 1. And we're reading from left to right. We have before us the Seder plate. On it have been placed the main symbols of this service.
First, we have 3 matzahs, commemorating the bread which our forefathers were compelled to eat during their hasty departure from Egypt.
The roasted shake bone? The second symbol is the roasted shake bone, which reminds us of the paschal lamb, a special animal sacrifice which our ancestors offered on the altar of the great temple in Jerusalem on the Passover holiday.
The third symbol is a roasted egg, which reminds us of a second offering brought to the temple on Passover. It was known as the festival offering, for it was brought on each of the 3 festivals, Pesach, Shavuos, and Sukkot.
The fourth symbol is the moror, the bitter herbs, which remind us of the bitterness of slavery, which our ancestors were compelled to endure.
The fifth symbol is the haras, made to resemble mortar, used at this time to remind us of the mortar with which our forefathers made bricks for the building of Egyptian cities.
The final symbol is the karpas, a green vegetable used to remind us that Pesach coincides with the arrival of spring and the gathering of the spring harvest. Passover in ancient times was also an agricultural festival and an occasion which our ancestors gave thanks for the earth's rich bounties.
4 times in the course of this service, we shall partake of the wine, symbol of joy and thanksgiving. The 4 cups represent the 4-fold promise which the Lord made to Israelites in Egypt.
These are the symbols of Passover.
Gefilte? No, thank you.
Gefilte? No, thank you.
Where are the latkes? Are we done? Where did they go? Now, where did the latkes go? The latkes are not here.
Oh, yay! Kugel.
Oh my god, I love this.
Does that make you sad that you don't get the kugel first?
I love the kugel.
Why? Just food memories?
Yes.
I would have passed it to you if you asked.
No.
What's your favorite Passover food memory?
Kugel 1997.
And what about Kugel 1997 stuck with you?
Extra raisins.
That'll do it.
One last prayer before we eat. Blessed art thou, Lord our God, King of the universe, give us time for the vine. Hooray!
Mazel. Mazel.